Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Olivia here with Olivia's Romantic Home. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some major cleaning motivation. So my channel, I do a ton of DIYs and a lot of times I make a really huge mess. I'm just going to share with you guys kind of a real life cleaning routine or a little bit of my day to day. So right now you can see I'm in my little beauty space. I have a very small bedroom and I've kind of carved out this little bitty tiny space for myself. And so I'm just going to go ahead and I've got my makeup on. I'm going to do my hair. I love hot rollers. I'm a total old school girl. My hair is super long, so I just throw some hot rollers in there and they pretty much hold my curls all day long. And then you can see my little vintage mannequin up over here. My beauty space, it definitely needs some work. So I'm going to go ahead and make my bed and then try to kind of begin to declutter and downsize. My husband Josh, aka Mr. Romantic, I literally refer to him on this channel as, has been helping me kind of design a little space for my beauty space. So he actually did a flea market flip trash to treasure project on my channel. You guys can go back a couple videos and check that out, but he created just like this really beautiful mirror and kind of vanity area, and then we're going to move my closet over kind of back behind our door, but he's going to create this little itty bitty tiny custom closet for me. And you guys can tell I have some mismatched pillows here. Does anybody else have like their beautiful bed pillows and then just like your absolutely favorite, most softest pillow that you sneak in underneath that? That's me, real life, you guys. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just finish doing my hair. I've got some videos to film today, but I've also really got to get my house tidied up. I really don't ever feel like I can film and work really well if my house is a disaster and I'm a disaster. So first things first, getting ready. So now that my hair is done, I'm going to go ahead and begin to kind of declutter my little beauty space here. I want to take everything off of the table. I've decided to remove the table covering. It's just really getting a lot of makeup and hair and all kinds of stuff all over it. So it's really not serving a great purpose here. So I'm just going to clear everything off. And then this is when Josh is going to come in and he's going to take that big mirror off. And we're just going to kind of revamp this space a little bit. And now you can tell that I also wanted to go in and declutter some of my clothes. So I had kind of like a transitional wardrobe out just a little bit. So still some long sleeves from the springtime that really now is just hot and I really don't need those. So I'm kind of paring some of those down. I'm going to box them up and put them up for a little bit until it gets to be more towards fall. And then I'm also decluttering. I had a couple of things left over from that I've worn several summers. You guys, I wear my clothes honestly until they have holes in them. So anyway, one of my favorite summer dresses had a giant hole in it. So I did go ahead and treat myself to a new one. I will definitely miss that old one, but it feels so good to just go ahead and begin to declutter and just leave out the clothes really that I'm truly using. So here is my husband. He is so sweet. He's just popping in to kind of talk about this little space we have going on here. And then this is some footage of when I took down my spring mantle. I thought you guys just might want to see this. I happened to video it for you all. I know you all love my mantle decor, and this one was so gorgeous. This was for spring, and I did share a DIY with you all on this using this beautiful grapevine. The only thing about the grapevine is it shed a lot, and so I had this up for about a month and I really wanted to just go ahead and take it apart so I could clean this area really well. It needed to be vacuumed, and I also did a summer mantle for you all as well. I'll leave that video down below. But anyway, I'm just taking apart this mantle. I'm putting all of my beautiful florals in this box, and then I'm going to take the grapevine outside and use it in some outside decor. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it life. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we So now I'm just going in with my Mrs. Meyer's Honey Crisp Apple All-Purpose Spray. I love this one. It smells like the strawberry shortcake dolls that I used to play with when I was a little girl. And then the room spray that I'm currently hooked on is the Caldrea Tangelo Palm Fron. I get all of my cleaners and room sprays off the Grove Collaborative website. And I just want to thank you all for everybody that has supported my channel and ordered with my link. I do have a coupon code below for a 5-piece free gift set with a $20 purchase if you guys want to take advantage of that. And for everybody that has, thank you so much. But I do love their site. I love to splurge on some really yummy smelling cleaning products. It has been a game changer for me. Truly, honestly, it has really helped me look forward to cleaning. And I had to throw in some awkward mom dancing for you guys. So for my room spray, I love to take it and spray it all over my curtains. Comment and let me know if you guys do that. I also do that for my shower curtain and my boys' bedroom. So I was actually shooting a DIY for you all in this segment. This is a 6 DIY Dollar Tree Decor Crafts summer video. This is me going ahead and creating that really beautiful floral for my mantle. I love this kind of old toolbox thingy that I picked up from the local thrift store. They sold it to me for $3. I told you guys about it in this video, but I was just so excited. And now I'm using some of those big Dollar Tree Gerber daisies. I went really bright and colorful this summer with my mantle decor. All of my home, like the backdrop of it in my living room, is white, and so I really thought this pop of color was just so fun and cheerful. It gave me some major beachy summer vibes because I just love the summertime. It is so fun. So now I'm sharing with you guys some behind the scenes. I don't share this with you guys. Actually, I don't think I've ever shared this with you all before, but this is the major disaster that I make when I'm doing my DIYs. Comment and let me know if any of you ladies out there that are crazy crafters like me just make a huge disaster, but then even when you make that big mess, isn't it so worth it to create something beautiful for your home, especially when you can do it on a budget? So I was just so excited, but here's me sharing my true and total mess. This is real life right here, you guys. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking and I'm putting all of my florals that are left over from this project into this tote. And then the box had everything that was kind of pretty much trash or that needed to be sorted through. And then my basket had actually a bunch of that brown moss that was inside of that little toolbox. Anyway, it made a huge mess on my floor. If you guys can see, I'm probably going to even have to spot clean my carpets just from doing so many DIYs in this space. And you know, just spilling my coffee too. So now I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum things up. Doesn't it feel good too, after you do a DIY, to totally tidy up? So because my studio is in my home and in my front living room area, I clean up after every single DIY session. I want my family to come home and feel like it's actually still our home, even though I do work in our home. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get this nice and tidied up so when they come home, it's just all fresh and clean and ready to roll. Waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending. And then here is a behind the scenes of the other side of my living room. Again, here are my crafting totes. I'm just continuing to organize and put everything. One tote has florals and then the other tote has all of my Dollar Tree supplies. I'm really trying to keep things under control with my crafting supplies and just minimize them to the seasonal decor with just these two totes. So that can be easier said than done though. Trust me, you guys. Now I'm going to share with you guys my kitchen. It is a disaster zone. This is always how it looks after I've had a huge session of DIYs. And so I'm just going to go ahead and start by tackling my dishes. My dishes just seem to build up so quickly. So I'm going to unload my dishwasher, and let me tell you, cleaning my kitchen every single time, I don't know what it is about the kitchen, but once I get my kitchen clean, I feel so much more calm. Comment, let me know if you guys feel that way. So anyway, I hope this is like some really great motivation for you guys too, because I know I love watching cleaning videos when I need to get my house tidied up, and it's so easy just like to kind of slack and let things go. But once I get it done, it gives me so much more creative energy, and it also gives me like a blank space palette to decorate on. So I love that. And plus, you guys comment and let me know how much my cleaning videos motivate you guys. So here it is. I hope this helps you guys get going and get your house tidied up, and I know that will bring a smile to your face, and everybody that lives in your space will enjoy just having that, clean home and feeling less anxiety and more organized and less stressed. I do have a DIY video too on this little pantry thing with the little organizers in there. I know you guys had asked me last time about that. So it is with my cleaning and organizing videos if you guys want to check that out.
Stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
Now it's time to tackle the dishes. So I will admit 100% you guys, the dishes are my least favorite thing on my chore list to do. Laundry is my favorite. So I can fold laundry almost any time of the day unless I'm completely exhausted. But the dishes are just one thing that I'm like, grr, I wish we didn't always have so many dishes. Plus I've been doing the kind of a cross between keto and paleo. So a lot of my pans I've been cooking eggs in, and you guys know how it is when you're cooking eggs. They like to stick to the pans. So anyway, my dishes just had really gotten built up, and so getting them clean and in that dishwasher made me feel like 100 times better. But let me know, are dishes your favorite chore? Are they your least favorite chore? Am I the only one that dreads the dishes? They just seem too kind of never ending. So anyway, but I have been looking forward to them actually more because I do have this cute Dollar Tree lemon dishes. You guys, I also noticed too at my Dollar Tree that they put out the sunflower dishes. I feel like since I splurged on a whole set of the lemon dishes, I'll probably not do the sunflower dishes, but they were so adorable, you guys. I saw them at Dollar Tree today, and it was all I could do to resist going for the Dollar Tree sunflower dishes. Comment and let me know if you guys have seen those dishes and if you went ahead and went for them. I also saw somebody last year haul some cherry Dollar Tree dishes. If you guys see those, please let me know. I would definitely spring for some cherry dishes. I think that would be so fun to do a picnic tablescape with some cherry dishes. I'm just going to go ahead and scrub out my sink Fly Lady style. She really got me in the mode many years ago to go ahead and soap down my sink. And you're probably wondering why I use so much soap. I did clean out some paintbrushes in my sink, and so I wanted to make sure that any kind of residue was out of here, and plus it just makes your sink so sparkling, to go ahead and give it a good cleaning and rinsing it off. And then the Fly Lady also recommends to just go ahead and dry it. And another thing, I just want to comment here and just say the work that you do at home, for all of you mamas and daddies that take care of your homes or that are at home cleaning, I just encourage you to keep at it. I know it's summertime and your kiddos are home, and there's probably a lot of messes being made and maybe not a lot of thank yous all the time, but the work that you're doing at home is so important. And even to all of you grandmas and grandpas out there that are helping take care of grandkids or kids during the summer, just all that you do is so felt and so important. So I just want to tell you all that and encourage you guys to keep going. And now here is my little Growth Collaborative. I use the orange and the lemon citrus scents, but it is just an oil diffuser. And so I'm also going to pop my little cleaners onto a pretty antique vintage plate. I love doing that. It's almost like, just setting the stage for a good little cleaning session and the ease and making it a decorative, just like a special time. Cleaning can actually be a special time. So anyway, if you guys are new, consider subscribing. I do a ton of DIYs, and thank you for everybody that pops on here. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye.